All right, so some of you may or may not know, I am moving to Kamloops in about a week, so this is my last ride in PG. Matt and I are gonna try and ride all the zones at once. So he's here. It's really raining hard, but this is the only day we can do this, so we'll play in the rain, I guess. All right, so we're off. First step, we're gonna go to Pidherny. We got a bit of a road ride ahead of us, but it's lovely out, so it'll be a nice day to enjoy that. All right, so we're made it up halfway-ish, so we're gonna go up Honey Shuttle and then kind of take a long way around. It's not the day to get crazy and rowdy, so we're just gonna get productive. It's all foggy and gloomy up here too. Doom and gloom. Very doom and gloom. It's slimy and gross, but we're at the top. The chippy top. Well, that's one climb done, so that's good. Nice and wet. We're feeling good, feeling peppy. We're not too hot, that's for sure. And there are no bugs.
Oh, that's awesome.
All right, status check. New bike.
New bike.
Same mat.
Business.
So we're a little damp, but hey, that's fine. It sucked to go inside for a second because it's like, oh, that could be it, but nope, here we are, back to the trail. All right, and we're back. Now we actually get to go down. Woo! Time.
Snack time.
No tuna.
Don't bring it down.
Yeah, got the chicken instead. We didn't come for the chicken. So much squealing.
So much squealing?
Squeal fest coming up. Woo. That looked like a boat spray. That was huge. All right, we made it through that shit and through some more shit, and now
You got random music?
now Matt's phone turned on for us, so we're bumping beats. All right, Pulaski. Oh yeah, it's super dry in here. Don't even. Oh no.
Did you talk how much the road ride was just to get here?
We're on spin cycle to finish with location 1 of our day. Some nice berms.
I pretty much lost all braking ability.
Oh, that's a little steep on the big guy. Very done. All right, that's one down. One down and so much more to go. All right, back at the car after our lap of Pidherny, and it stopped raining. So there's a plus. All right, we're ready to go again here. Feels so good to have warm clothes on again. Change up all the super wet stuff. And it stopped raining, which is really a morale booster for both of us. So yeah, here we go, on our way. Espresso. Good old Espresso. One of the first trails I rode at Otway, and it's still a classic. You could go for a cup of espresso right now.
I would be tired.
Still plugging away. It's crazy how quick it's turned to fall. It's in your last week and it didn't look like this. So there you go. I will miss leaves in Kamloops, I'll tell you that. You get sand, yeah. The sand is beautiful. The sand is beautiful this time of year. All right. Fun view there. We're at the top of Otway, so we're gonna go down Java. It's a good time, so let's do it. Java the Hutt. Actually still pretty dry. Like,
Relatively speaking.
yeah, not like full droopy dog sad wet like we were on the other side.
What is that? It's sun.
That was good. I thought it was something actually. I was like, what? What is it? Woo! Roost in water. Yeah. Oh, so free ride. Oh, free ride.
Oh, here's one.
Oh, so free ride. They say all the best free ride lines are in Otway.
I have heard that.
Yeah. They aren't kidding. Mud in the mouth. You hit that tree? Yeah. That hurts.
It's okay, I broke it with my chest.
Oh, okay. That's good then. All right, on our way over and then down, and then that's stage 2 done. And then one mother of a hill to climb up for stage 3. But stay tuned for more. Downtime at Otway, going down Karma, one of my faves. Oh, inside line. Oh, there's people at the skills park. Oh, skills park with a fat bike.
Yeah. This is pretty much what it was meant for.
Yeah, that's what they say. The world's longest skinny. Oopsies. There we go. Now we're set. That was fancy. All right. Stage 2's done. That one didn't feel nearly as bad as stage 1. No. So now we're gonna go back to the car and change into some fresh, whoa, into some fresh threads for our final pull up Granborough Hill. Yep. Oh, he's ready. And he got it. Biggest jump of the day. Right, back at the cars, one final fuel up, and then up over Cranny. We're gonna go ride some trails at Granborough Hill. It's just the final zone in our Triple Crown day. Looking forward to it. All right, little sidebar here. Matt wants to try some travel bit action. He's climbing himself up this big steep hill, and then he's gonna ride down like a madman. Quite the hike. Final climb. We're gonna climb up Granborough Hill and ride down the backside to complete our Triple Crown. So let's get on with the hill. It's a bad hill. Sunshine! Yeah! Oh yeah. It's good to see you, Mr. Sun. So I certainly saved the best for last. Because this is a grind. Oh man. And now it's sunny and hot and I'm getting sticky and humid. Oh. Just can't wait. This is the enjoy the fall day part of our ride. And we made it to the top of Granborough Hill. Whew, there's some big boy stuff here. Whew, that's cool. Little slimy in here. Come on, baby. There's Granborough. Nice. All right, we did it. 3 hills, 1 ride. That was good. Now the mud's flying everywhere. Yeah. All right. What a finale. Several hours later, we're done. Yeah, buddy, that was good. That's awesome. All right, we made her back to the car. Awesome way to end the my riding time here in Prince George. We got to do 3 locations of trails, so that was fun. Really love it here, and it's gonna be tough to leave. Great bike community. Thanks to everybody who helped me out, especially Ruckus and all the people I've met. So I'll be back though. So thanks for everything. See ya.